How to use real-world examples to enhance kinesthetic learning. Imagine learning math not just from a textbook but by actually cutting a cake into slices. This is the essence of kinesthetic learning, where hands-on activities make abstract ideas tangible. To enhance kinesthetic learning using real-world examples, you need to connect concepts with physical experiences. Start by identifying topics that can benefit from direct manipulation. For instance, when teaching fractions, using a cake or pie allows students to physically see and feel the division of parts. This makes the concept of fractions much clearer. Similarly, math can be taught using blocks or counters. Let learners handle these tools to solve problems, reinforcing their understanding through touch and movement. Role-playing is another effective method. By acting out historical events or literary scenes, learners engage with the material on a deeper level. This approach not only promotes comprehension but also adds an emotional connection to the learning process. In vocational training, simulations can mimic real-life tasks, like performing CPR or conducting safety drills. These activities provide immediate feedback and show the relevance of what they are learning. Incorporating everyday activities is also beneficial. Cooking, gardening, or DIY projects naturally involve kinesthetic learning. For example, measuring ingredients in cooking teaches ratios and volume through hands-on experience. These activities help learners apply theoretical knowledge in practical ways. Technology can support kinesthetic learning as well. Interactive software allows learners to practice skills on computers or devices. Creating presentations or using simulation programs combines movement with cognitive engagement, making learning more dynamic. Group work is another great way to enhance kinesthetic learning. Collaborative projects that involve building or creating physical representations encourage active participation. Kinesthetic learners thrive in environments where they can move and interact with peers. Encouraging physical expression of ideas is key. Movement-based spelling exercises or stepping through math problems can reinforce learning. Constructing models or acting out concepts links physical action with cognitive understanding. Overall, using real-world examples to enhance kinesthetic learning means designing experiences that involve doing and moving. This approach not only improves retention and understanding but also makes the learning process enjoyable and engaging. By connecting abstract concepts to tangible experiences, you create a more effective learning environment for kinesthetic learners.